Good Tuesday, everyone. Looking at our USA mortgage level of concern, we're level 0 again today. This continues a quiet streak that will last right on through Friday, maybe even on into Saturday before things start getting active once again. We know things can't stay quiet too long around here for too long, but again, today's USA mortgage level of concern, level 0. Premier generators bringing us our threat outlook, and we can still say no severe weather is expected for the next 5 days, but this graphic will begin to change tomorrow when we start talking about Sunday. Clearview Closet and Blind bringing us the 5-day forecast, just a chance for a shower today. Otherwise, partly to mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. West winds at 15, gusting to 30 at times. So it's going to be a bit of a breezy day again. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs near 60. A west wind at 10, gusting to 20. So not as windy tomorrow as today. Thursday is the calmest day of the 5-day forecast. And mostly sunny skies, highs in the mid-60s. And then Friday, you start getting breezy once again. A chance for early morning showers. That rain chance at about 30%. If anything, I could see that trending down. But just so you know, you may get a sprinkle or a raindrop on your windshield Friday morning. Southwest winds at 10, gusting to 20 through the day. Highs in the low 70s. Saturday, we're in the low 70s once again, maybe even mid-70s if those showers hold off. There is a chance for some afternoon or evening showers. Southwest winds will be blowing pretty good, about 10 miles per hour, gusting to 25. And that's priming our environment for some storms that may come in on us on Sunday. Upper Cumberland Fair Credit Union bringing us our rainfall graphic. Not much to talk about here, that's for sure. And it's not until we get to Saturday that we might actually start getting some accumulating precipitation. And that's probably going to be later in the day that you see that. So stay tuned. Saturday's forecast is definitely a changeable one. Rocket Realtors bringing us the extended threat outlook. I'm not too worried about heavy rainfall on Saturday as much as I am maybe Saturday night. That's why I've got possible overnight heavy rain threat, which may actually literally be in the early morning hours of Sunday. But anyway, I'll keep an eye on that. We've got that severe storm threat, though, that we certainly need to have on our radar for Sunday. The Storm Prediction Center continues to outline our area in that threat. On this day in weather history, brought to us by Bramwell Brook Boutique. 1934, a spring storm produced 21 inches of snow at Amarillo, Texas in 24 hours. However, much of the snow melted as it fell, and as a result, the snow cover was never any deeper than 4.5 inches. 1948, this is interesting. This is where tornado forecasting began. 1948 on this day. For the second time in less than a week, airplanes were destroyed by a tornado at Tinker Air Force Base in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. A March 20th tornado destroyed 50 planes at Tinker Air Force Base, causing more than $10 million in damage. And on the March 25th tornado destroyed another 35 planes, causing $6 million in damage. The first tornado struck without warning. The second tornado was predicted by Fawbush and Miller of the United States Air Force, and their accurate tornado forecast ushered in the modern era of severe weather forecasting. What were the chances they would have 2 tornadoes in less than a week? It was just meant to be. Tinker Air Force Base is a little bit of a tornado alley, if you will, around Oklahoma City. They get hit quite often by a lot of stuff, so an interesting place to be for sure. You folks have a wonderful Tuesday. And keep looking up. And for more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.